Most people take walking for granted, but if you have Parkinson's disease, walking can be difficult. Up to half of those with Parkinson's disease suffer from freezing of gait. This can feel as if your feet are glued to the floor. It stops you walking, and you can struggle to get going again. Freezing reduces your mobility, increases your risk of falls, and can be incredibly frustrating. To overcome freezing of gait, many healthcare professionals recommend the use of external cues to trigger movement. Walk with Path has developed a device called Pathfinder, a shoe attachment that provides visual cues to overcome freezing. Pathfinder attaches onto your shoe and can be calibrated to suit your step length and width, meaning it can be used by anyone. The visual cues are projected during walking, so you can rely on the laser lines for every step. For further information and to buy Pathfinder, visit our website. Pathfinder. Walk with confidence.